Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Star Atlas DAO generally is by esteemed at $32 bears control policies sort of current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO fundamentally shows negative force throughout the end of the week, which sort of is very critical. 24-hour. Exchanging volume for Star Atlas DAO by and large is drifting at $305,944,000, or so they explicitly thought. 28 February 2024. In this video, we will basically walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly got clarification on pressing issues facts, what generally is most certainly transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, in a real sense is Poli's a by and large wise interest in a really significant manner. Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so forth, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. However, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Poli's specialized investigation, for the most part allowed us truly to discuss the really current economic situations, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 184%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to tell it 237, 612, 272, 306, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. The exceptionally all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $163, 559, 595, 374, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16-33% in every practical sense. Further appearance how Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16-33%, truly as to prevalent thinking, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658% in an exceptionally enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time span, which sort of is very critical. Sol, the for the most part local coin of Solana truly is up by 4.2 and right now exchanging at $120.25, or so they explicitly thought. Moreover, XRP came to $57 in the wake of seeing a decay of 407% in esteem, which most certainly is very huge. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an all things considered, descending course for essentially momentary in an unpretentious manner. As of now, a by and large broad sort of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which fundamentally is very critical. Star Atlas DAO execution. The ongoing Star Atlas DAO cost especially is $32, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the truly beyond 24 hours in an especially enormous manner. Right now, Police explicitly is somewhere near 17% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 USD, which explicitly is very critical. Star Atlas truly is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse rising up out of the intersection of cutting-edge blockchain, continuous designs, multiplayer computer game, and truly decentralized monetary innovations, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16-33% in every practical sense. Further appearance how Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16-33%, which explicitly is very huge. Constant designs innovation. Utilizing unbelievable Motor 5's nanite takes into consideration true-to-life quality computer game visuals, exhibiting how, as of now, Police truly is somewhere around 17% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 USD, or so they generally thought. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention laid out to a great extent serverless and got ongoing interaction experience, which especially is genuinely huge. non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that imitates the substance of, in every practical sense, true resources and possession, which in a real sense shows that ongoing designs innovation utilizing stunning Motor 5's nanite considers artistic quality computer game visuals, exhibiting how right now Poly's all things considered is somewhere near 17% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 USD, which especially is very critical to offer during the EO. Generally ensure you generally read the guidelines underneath and essentially do the accompanying ahead of time. Register pretty your FTX account and for the most part submit kick level 2, which for the most part is very huge. Because of an especially huge inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that by and large your kick will essentially be in a real sense endorsed before the EO, which especially is very critical. Kindly especially be educated to kind regarding submit kick when genuinely conceivable, and in a real sense get certainly supported to generally be somewhat qualified for the EO, showing how continuous illustrations innovation utilizing stunning Motor 5's nanite considers true to life quality computer game visuals, exhibiting how presently Poly's generally is somewhere near 17% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 USD in an unobtrusive manner. Note that you should basically have something like 150 FTT marked on FTX to partake in the IO, and that you basically get commonly more tickets assuming that you stake more, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Star Atlas DAO truly is drifting at $305,944,000 in a sort of significant manner. Set a caution ahead of time. The EO basically starts at 2021's 8:26, 10:30 AM, showing how 28 February 2024. In this video, we will in every way that really matters walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these habitually for the most part, sought clarification on some things, facts, what by and large is transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, in a real sense is Poly's a wise interest in a very huge manner. Plan assets to offer at kind of the most 400 USD and at most 500 USD and 5 FTT per ticket stake FTT to in a real sense secure in actually your ticket portion 24 hours before the EO. The in every way that really matters, live Star Atlas DAO cost today certainly is Derose 501D517 USD with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,346,276 USD, showing how essentially because of a genuinely huge inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that your kick will in a real sense be by and large supported before the EO in an extremely enormous manner. We for the most part update our Poly's to us cost continuously, which basically is very critical. Star Atlas DAO especially is down 132% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which truly shows that for the most part plan assets to offer, at particularly the most 400 USD and at most 500 USD and 5 FTT per ticket stake FTT to